Have you ever wondered how a gentle breeze can power an entire city? It's all thanks to the fantastic concept of wind energy, a renewable and sustainable source of power that's just waiting to be harnessed. Imagine this. A gust of wind sweeps across a field, and as it does, it encounters a wind turbine. The wind's kinetic energy, the energy from its motion, is captured by the turbine's blades and converted into electrical energy. This conversion is a key solution in our quest to reduce reliance on fossil fuels. Wind energy is not just a source of power, but a combatant against climate change. By tapping into the power of the wind, we're utilizing a resource that is not only abundant and renewable, but also clean and green. In essence, harnessing the wind's power is like capturing a free, endless energy supply that reduces our carbon footprint. So, how exactly does a gust of wind turn into a source of electricity? Well, it's all about harnessing the power of the wind through a marvel of modern engineering, the wind turbine. Envision a towering structure with 3 massive blades spinning in the wind. These blades are attached to a rotor which is, in turn, connected to a main shaft. As the wind blows, it turns the blades which spin the rotor and the main shaft. Inside the body of the turbine, known as the nacelle, this shaft spins a generator, converting the kinetic energy of the wind into mechanical energy. This mechanical energy is then transformed into electrical energy, ready to be sent to the power grid. Of course, wind speed and direction play crucial roles in this process. The stronger the wind, the more electricity is generated, and the turbines can pivot to face the wind for maximum efficiency. Hence, the humble wind turbine stands as an engineering marvel, transforming a simple breeze into a powerful energy solution. Wind energy isn't just a passing fad, it's a crucial player in the future of our planet. As we look ahead, this renewable source of power is pegged to play an increasingly significant role in global energy production. With its potential virtually untapped, the future of wind energy is looking particularly breezy. Imagine the vast oceans and seas, not just as bodies of water, but as colossal power generators, courtesy of offshore wind farms. These farms, coupled with advancements in turbine technology, promise to harness wind power like never before. But the appeal of wind energy extends beyond its environmental friendliness. It's a windfall for economies too, creating jobs, boosting local industries, and demonstrating that sustainability is not just about being green, it's also about being economically smart. So the next time you see a turbine spinning majestically in the wind, remember this: with every turn of a turbine, we're not just generating electricity, we're creating a cleaner, brighter future for our planet.